following video provides a few examples of the various services that are either supported or provided by East Sussex Adult Social Care to improve the lives of local residents. The aim of self-directed support is to ensure that social care staff provide people with the help that they need to make decisions about the support they require in their own lives. This is important because we think individuals are best placed to decide what support will make the most difference in their own lives. By making the choices, people will ensure that they're most likely to make progress and achieve the outcomes they desire from the support that social care provides.
I tend to employ people who haven't got too many commitments, which means they're flexible and they can fit in where I need them. And I've got quite a few people I can call on for different things, so it's quite good really.
Because myself and my husband have pooled our personal budgets, it's meant that we've been able to, use our money to employ kind of the same personal assistants that we can both receive support from.
We also believe reablement is really important. This is about helping people regain the skills and independence that they want in their own lives. East Sussex One Space is an online directory. It's been established to help people that use services and their carers and others to help them understand the sorts of support and services that are available for them within their local area. It's very important for us in terms of helping staff as well to understand the sort of community and voluntary services that could potentially help support people to live a better quality of life. Support with Confidence is an accreditation process which enables us to quality check providers of support for local people. It's very important that people have the confidence when they're using services that they will be of a good quality and that the people that provide those services are trustworthy. In East Sussex at the moment we have 84 organisations that are accredited, with a further 52 in the process of becoming accredited.
Home and Dry is a laundry and is a collection and delivery laundry and ironing service. We found the process with Support with Confidence quite easy to get onto, and it also helped us as a company know more about the ins and outs with regards to trading standards and bits and pieces, and to be fair to our customers.
I've had several clients as a result of Support with Confidence. The nice thing is that I feel supported on it with the backing of the scheme.
Extra care housing is accommodation which can help support people to live independently. It provides a higher level of support than they would otherwise receive in their own homes, and it's really important for us in the sense that it gives people ongoing rights to their own tenancy, their own home, and enables them to get support in a way which is helpful for them to maintain their independence for as long as possible. Supporting People is an important partnership programme between the County Council, districts and boroughs, health and probation. It funds high quality housing support services that help vulnerable people to achieve and maintain independent living. The services support thousands of local people of all ages who may be homeless, fleeing domestic violence, leaving prison, experiencing mental health or substance misuse problems, or have a learning or physical disability. The support is provided within specific accommodations such as sheltered housing or foyers for young people, or by visiting people and helping them in their own homes. Faith forums are groups and organisations that bring together people of different beliefs so that they can help support each other to live good quality lives in their communities, and actually help provide support to each other in a way which is meaningful and can best be provided for people of like views.
It's to have their views listened to and taken forward, and so they would work with organisations, voluntary, community and statutory, to help implement change and progress in policies and services in the East Sussex area.
The integrated night service brings together health and social care professionals to help prevent admissions to hospital and to residential services out of core hours. In 2011-12, it saved a total of £1.2 million.
We operate from 10 o'clock at night till 8 o'clock in the morning, 7 days a week, including bank holidays. We're an enablement service and home nursing and support service staffed by a Band 6 nurse and a support worker.
Peer support are groups of people that have used services in the past or could potentially be using them now that are best placed to provide help, guidance and advice to people that are currently in services. It's very important that people share their experiences, and people are more open to the offer of support if it comes from people who have had similar experiences to their own.
Peer supporters like ourselves have actually been through quite a lot of trauma and different things, so I think it's important for other people that are going through similar things, maybe to speak to somebody that's also been through maybe not the same circumstances, but maybe sort of something traumatic.
I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life, and the course helped me to understand myself. That has developed to a career. I wasn't looking for anything really, and hey, I'm a peer support worker.
Choices is an organisation that provides support to people with learning disabilities to gain and maintain themselves in employment. People have told us that employment is very important to them in terms of their quality of life, and we think it's also very important for employers as it offers them a range of people that will be very committed to their work and bring real value to their workplace.
I'm an Easy Read information assistant at East Sussex County Council. I check Easy Read's work, testing the websites, sharing my experience of being a person with a learning difficulty.
Well, Christian's a hugely valuable member of the learning disability team because of his experience of being a person with a learning disability. He can bring a unique insight and expertise to the team.
I work in Tunbridge Garden Centre. I do weeding, de-heading and sweeping the tables. I like working with the plants. Graham usually helps me with the e-learning, which I do on the internet.
We know that we face real challenges over the next 2 to 3 years. It remains really important for us to ensure we provide the support that makes a real difference to people's lives. This means investing in prevention, investing in reablement, and also providing that core support when people most require it. We need to do this at a time when there will be less money available to us, so it's really important that we work with local communities to identify what our priorities are and how best we can use the money that we do have available to provide support to people. We know that we will face particular pressures in East Sussex because we do have an ageing population, and it's important that we provide them with the support that they will need in future years. We also have a very diverse council, which means we have to be able to provide services in both a rural and an urban environment. Although we have made significant progress, it's really important we continue to maintain the best possible support to people locally. To enable us to achieve that, this year we will be looking to improve support to carers, to those that fund their own care, and to set up neighbourhood support teams. These are teams made up of health and social care professionals which will work in local communities to support people to ensure that they can live at home and improve their quality of life.